Hello, I got in a new product today and I'm really excited about it. And I have not even opened the box yet. So, a homespun hobby has more than just diamond paintings. That's what I've been focusing on. But I bought this. This is really a kind of to go with, or while you're getting something for yourself, to kind of add this to your purchase for someone else, especially if you have young children or if you are into miniature dollhouses. I just discovered this company. I don't know, you know what? I don't know how new they are. They are in New Hampshire and Massachusetts. These are a couple of moms who created this toy, and they are from United States. So these are made in the United States. I think they're made in the United States. And then I'm going to have them on my website. I love to read to my son when he was little. And so this toy is a book, and this book is a toy. So I bought it. I only bought one book. The book is Goldilocks. That's what I bought. Goldilocks. And I bought a set of 3. So there's going to be 3 items on my website. And this kind of is a hobby. It's an activity. So I thought this is just going to go perfect, and I'm going to put it on the page with the miniature dollhouses. And I hope, oh, they're sealed. They're all wrapped. I should have known. I should have known. Okay. So this is a book that it comes with a book that you read, and then you can build this house together. So you read and build, and just the story time becomes 3-dimensional. And I just thought this is so cute. So it has 39 pieces. Let's see where to go. So it includes the book, the characters. It's a 9x9-inch house, flat pack furniture, and this is a carrying case that has the handle up here. And so you put the furniture together, and you can carry it to Grandma's or back to Goldilocks' home. And here's the house and the characters and the book. 39, yeah, I said that, 39 pieces. And this is going to be on my website for $29.95. And if this is popular, then I'm going to get more books. But I just thought, I keep repeating myself. It's just too cute. When I was little, I had a record player. For those of you who are my age, you know what I'm talking about. Well, actually, vinyl is coming back in. My mom had gotten me a set of Disney albums, and it was a book, and it had like 6 pages with the album. So I would put the album on and listen to the story and sing the songs at the top of my lungs because they were based on the movies. And of course, when I was a kid, we had to go see the movie when it was in the theater, and when it was not in the theater anymore, that was it. It wasn't until I was older you started buying them on VHS and DVDs. And so when I was babysitting in my 20s, and that's all the movies were coming out, and I was just completely enthralled with Cinderella. I had never seen it before, but I knew all the songs word for word. So if these were around when I was a kid, I would have wanted every single one. You know what's good about this? It does not say collect them all, which is good because, your kids are going to want to collect them all if that's what it says. Of course, you can if you want to, right? Okay. My phone. All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe so you can find out when I get more products in. And I will see you soon.